Codec has been in operation almost 35 years now. Some of the largest companies in Ireland trust Codec to help them deliver value from their investment in IT. A lot of those customers are located here in Munster, so we felt it was an ideal opportunity to come to Thomond Park days before the Rugby World Cup to meet and greet some of our customers and have these workshops around the Microsoft Cloud and the value that that can bring to our customers.
Most of my journey was with Munster. It's a community, and it's I haven't said that, like you're representing your country. That's another honour as well too. But I think just from where you're from, it's a very special thing.
So I suppose the purpose of today's event is to educate people around the Microsoft Cloud and the advantages that that can bring to our customers. It's a great networking event as well. We have a very high attended event here today in Thomond Park, and really excited to get the feedback from the customers.
Very good day today so far, learning about Power Apps and really just looking at what the opportunities are for using it to replace some of the systems that we currently have in place.
I really enjoyed the day. The App in a Day session was really interactive, and I got to learn a lot of tips and tricks on platforms that we're already using.